Good morning. This is Dwayne Mooney with Forex Success Club. I want to start off with a look at these two trades. As you can see, two successful trades from some pending orders. I got in a pending order, which I've been making money off of, the Australian US at 0.7150. I got in at the Euro Canada at 1.4965. The Australian US is at 0.7119. Remember, I don't pay attention to the micro number. As you can see, 7150, 7119, that's 30 pips. 4965, 4990, that's, wait a minute, 7150, 7119, 20, that's 30 pips. 4965, 4990, that's 35 pips. So, no, 25 pips. Now, how this is done is, what is a pending order? This area right here, I put in a pending order because I knew it was going to hit. Because it hit 3 times. Here, here, here. Now, so I put in a pending order right here. Went to sleep. Hit the area, boom. Now, with this order, I got about, see, these are all pending orders. If you look at, they just didn't hit. I put in a lot. I got about 5 of them, 3 of them in. So I put 5 in all together last night. It just didn't hit. So, what do I do? With the other one, the Euro Canada, let's look at that one. Change the candlestick. It went up. The Euro Canada. Our chart is going down. I think it's going to continue to go up. But let's look at the 4-hour chart. I put the pending order. You see that arrow? I put the pending order in right there because I knew it was going to hit, because that was a strong resistance area, support area. I saw all those orders coming in, and I knew it was going to go up. If I just strategically placed the pending order right in this area. Boom. There it is. So, what if I took some money off the table? See if I take half. Took half, changed the lot size or the volume to 0.50. So I'm still in the trade. Took some money off the table. And if I did the same thing with this one. Okay. And then I did some stop loss. I'm in profit now. We're at 71.19, 30 pips, so I put it in 71.40. 71.40. So now they're winning trades. This top one, 71.50, 71.22. It says 0.7122. So now I'm going to change the pending. So I'll do the, it says 71.20. Pending order, I'll do it at stop loss at 71.40. Oops. Why is it not going through? 71.40. Let's join US. Oh, I already put it there. Okay. We can do the other one. 49.60. Pending order. I'm looking at this. It says 49.65. It said 49.85 now. I'll do it at 49.70. $149.70. Why is that not buy? $149.70. Because it should be done at the execution stop loss. This is modified. 149. Because I'm modifying it. 70. It's not a pending order. So I have two beautiful trades going. It's in profit. And remember how I do a pending order. If I got in at this one at 149.65, pending order is just, I would go here and click pending order. Put in 149. Now have another pending order, which it'll probably hit it again. Because it looks like it's coming down. It's only 10 pips in. Should really be taking it. Let me see. Really should be taking that profit. Because it looks like it's retracting. If I go to the hour chart, you will see. Let's see. See it's coming down? Should be out that trade. And take it again if it hits me. It would probably retract, go back up. I should have been out at this level, but I'm teaching at the top because this is a resistance. So it should have closed the trade. That's the trading zone in this area. So I lost 10 pips. I'm not closing it. It's okay. We're in training mode. And, but overall it's a good trade. And that's how you do it. I'm still in this one because it looks strong. The Australian US. That one's coming out. If that starts coming down, I'll get out of that too. Oh, and it looks like it's still coming. See, this looks like a support. New support area. So I'll get out of this trade too. See, it looks like it's going to go back up because that's the trading zone. That's what it's been doing. Coming down and coming up. So you could actually put a penny order going up at 71.11 if you wanted to. It made money on it going up, but I wasn't sure if that was the trading zone. I knew where the resistance was, but was the support down here or down here? I don't know. But it looks like it's just retracting. I'm going to go back up because this is the trading zone. So I'm done. I'm out. My trades for the day. Cool. So that's it in a nutshell. How to do pending orders and why. Remember, because I saw resistance here on US Canada. I saw support levels here. See it here? And this on our chart 4 times. This area. Strong support area. Maybe get in the trade. As you can see, it's retracting up. But I'm out the trade, so I'll see what it's going to do. Looks like this is the trading zone. Even on the 1 hour chart, that's going to come down. Okay? So that's what we're looking at. Beautiful trades, make some money. About 50 pips today. And maybe one of these will hit later on today. I put in another 49.65.